Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks again for visiting, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll explore how the automotive industry's mass production methods have influenced the overall quality, reliability, and innovation in vehicles. Join us as we uncover the effects of these manufacturing approaches on the cars we drive today. The impact of mass production on car quality. Mass production has revolutionized the automotive industry, making cars more accessible to the average consumer. However, the impact of mass production on the quality of cars has been a topic of debate. How does mass production affect the quality of your car? Let's delve into the factors influencing the quality of mass-produced vehicles and explore the implications for consumers. The impact of mass production on car quality. Standardization and quality control. Mass production of cars involves a high level of standardization to ensure consistency and quality. Standardization allows car manufacturers to streamline processes and maintain control over the production line. Quality control measures are put in place at various stages of production to identify and rectify any deviations from the standard specifications. This meticulous attention to detail helps to uphold the overall quality of the cars being produced. Material and component quality. Mass production can impact the quality of cars in terms of material and component selection. Manufacturers may opt for cost-effective materials and components to meet production demands, which can sometimes compromise overall quality. However, stringent quality checks and testing protocols are in place to ensure that the materials and components used meet the required standards. Additionally, advancements in manufacturing technology and material science have led to improvements in the quality of materials and components used in mass-produced cars. Assembly line efficiency. Efficiency on the assembly line directly impacts the quality of the final product. The fast-paced nature of mass production can lead to errors if not managed effectively. However, advancements in automation and robotics have revolutionized assembly line processes, leading to enhanced precision and efficiency. This has significantly contributed to maintaining and even improving the quality of cars produced through mass manufacturing. The role of technology in mass production. Automation and precision. In mass production, technology plays a pivotal role in ensuring precision and efficiency. Through the use of automated systems, tasks that were once performed manually can now be executed with remarkable accuracy. Automation reduces the margin of error, leading to standardized and consistent outputs. This technological advancement allows for the seamless assembly of car components, resulting in high-quality vehicles that meet standardized specifications. Quality assurance systems. Technological advancements have led to the implementation of sophisticated quality assurance systems in mass production facilities. These systems utilize advanced sensors and monitoring devices to inspect and detect any deviations in the manufacturing process. By continuously analyzing and assessing the quality of car components at various stages, manufacturers can identify and rectify any potential defects, ensuring that only top-tier components contribute to the final product. This meticulous attention to quality control enhances the overall reliability and durability of the vehicles produced. Innovation in manufacturing processes. The integration of cutting-edge technology has sparked innovative approaches to manufacturing processes in the automotive industry. Advanced materials and techniques have revolutionized the construction of car components, leading to enhanced performance, safety, and longevity. For example, the use of advanced composite materials and 3D printing has opened new frontiers in car manufacturing, allowing for the creation of lighter yet stronger components. These innovations not only elevate the quality of the vehicles but also contribute to sustainability efforts by reducing material waste and energy consumption. Consumer expectations and industry standards. The quality of cars produced through mass production has a direct impact on consumer expectations and industry standards. It is essential for car manufacturers to adhere to safety and regulatory compliance measures to ensure the well-being of consumers. By meeting and exceeding these standards, manufacturers can build trust with their customer base. Safety and regulatory compliance. Car manufacturers must comply with various safety regulations and standards to ensure that the vehicles they produce are safe for consumers. This includes meeting requirements for crash safety, emissions, and other important safety features. Adhering to these regulations not only ensures consumer safety, but also reflects a commitment to quality and ethical practices. Customer feedback and quality improvement. Continuous feedback from consumers plays a critical role in quality improvement. Car manufacturers use customer feedback to identify areas for improvement in their vehicles. By addressing issues raised by consumers, manufacturers can enhance the quality of their cars, meet consumer expectations, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Industry standards and benchmarking. Benchmarking against industry standards allows car manufacturers to measure their performance against their competitors and identify areas for improvement. By staying updated with industry standards, manufacturers can ensure that their cars meet or exceed the expected quality level. This benchmarking process drives continuous improvement and innovation within the automotive industry. Future trends in mass production and car quality. The future of mass production in the automotive industry seems headed towards sustainable manufacturing practices, integration of AI and machine learning, and customization and personalization. Sustainable manufacturing practices. The automotive industry is placing an increased emphasis on sustainable manufacturing practices to reduce the environmental impact of mass production. This includes the use of eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient processes, and waste reduction strategies. Implementing sustainable practices not only benefits the environment, but also contributes to the overall quality of cars by ensuring that components are produced with minimal environmental impact. Integration of AI and machine learning. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning in mass production processes has the potential to significantly improve the quality of cars. AI-powered systems can optimize production processes, identify potential defects in real time, and enhance quality control measures. By leveraging advanced technologies, manufacturers can ensure that each vehicle meets high-quality standards, resulting in more reliable and durable cars for consumers. Customization and personalization in mass production. Advancements in manufacturing technologies are enabling greater levels of customization and personalization in mass production. Car manufacturers are increasingly offering options for customers to customize various aspects of their vehicles, from interior features to performance specifications. This trend not only enhances the overall appeal of cars, but also allows for the production of vehicles that align more closely with individual preferences, ultimately improving the quality of the driving experience. In conclusion, mass production can have a significant impact on the quality of your car. While it allows for cost-effective manufacturing and widespread availability, it can also lead to potential quality control issues and uniformity in the final product. Understanding the implications of mass production on your vehicle's quality can help you make informed decisions when purchasing a new car or evaluating its performance over time. It is important to consider all aspects of mass production and its potential effects on the quality of your car to make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.